Happy Halloween, everyone. The truck is finally done. I've brought it out here to my testing facility where there's lots of mud everywhere and lots of stuff to dig around it, like this boat that's upside down. I've got my horns installed. Check them out. Flag, tail lights, even a FM radio. Got a place where you can hook up a MP3 player. I'll put that back on there later. I now have a cup holder. Can-in air filter. And I painted my gas tank and left a gas gauge in it. Didn't realize my camera was low on battery before I come out here. I would have charged it for you. Try to do some trail riding anyway. That's only a quarter throttle, by the way. Might as well get out and look around. It's exceedingly hard to drive and film. Some cactus, some old wheel, some good junk around here. You can dig parts out of that boat all day long. Lake over there, a few mud ruts. There's some pretty huge trails. Going that way. Oh, it's a steep one. Oh, wow. Hard to do while filming. Another nice view of the lake. What else is cool about this truck is the orientation of the horn button. I can be driving and just hit it with my knee. Sweet. Wow, somebody moved the boat. They turned over the upper deck too. And somebody moved the power wheels out here too. There was most of a Silverado. Wow, the boat used to be like laying across here. You can see the dead spot. Wow, there's the steering. That was a really nice boat at one point. Sucks I don't know who did this, because I could totally use a $1,000 reward. I think the name of the boat was on one of these. I think it was called the Outlaw. I don't know who would dump a boat out here. It's a nice hole. I mean, even if you don't have a title, I mean, at least try to reclassify it as a homemade or something. There it is. Outlaw. Those real windows, they just painted on. Still a nice cabin cruiser. A lot of junk out here. Chopped up hot tubs. Tons of tires. Some of them are usable. And for some reason or another, there are tons of Sony Trinitron big screen TVs scattered everywhere. All over the place. I don't know what it is about the Trinitron. They must suck or something, because I've counted like 8 of them out here. Some in better shape than this one. That sucks. Nothing's usable out of that pile. You can get some scrap aluminum maybe. I'm fixing to show you why I love this GY6 150cc engine. Alright, I was out here with another guy who has it's 110cc. I think it's the Lancian, you know, the China-made Sun-L Honda clone motors. He had it on a 4-wheeler, and he had to push it up this hill. This is a pretty good hill. If I get up here, I'm actually looking down at the truck. Pretty damn good hill. Now, I haven't had anything stop this thing yet other than water, and that fried my entire electrical system. Good thing it only costs like $80 to get it going again. Then I just waterproofed it. That's a pretty sizable ways up there. I always have to turn my radio off because the magneto interferes with it. Turn down my idle. Throw her in gear real quick. I love the torque on this thing. There we go. That's not all it's got either. I can punch it. Awesome. There's another Trinitron. Also in lousy shape. I don't know who would want to come all the way out here just to dump stuff. Now I'm going to have to cut the camera because this is a pretty steep hill on the way down and I need both brakes pulled off. So I'll turn it back on in a second. I made it down the hill. It was kind of a winding hill. And we come to Sony Trinitron, just sitting there. What a waste. Oh man. Somebody dumped a bunch of VHS tapes out here. These were not here the other day. If they dumped them out here, I imagine they're all crap. But just for the hell of it, let's have a look-see. Camera's fixing to die. Homeward Bound. Yeah, I know why you're out here. Air Force One. I know why you're out here. Okay, this is a bunch of kiddie movies and Liar Liar. Really? Apollo 13? That's actually a classic. Ew, it's Hook. Ew, it's Bring It On. I'm gonna smash that one with a brick. There, nobody has to watch that one ever again. It's a Wonderful Life. There's some classics in here. Oh no, it's Star Trek. I know a lot of people that are gonna hate me for this, but ugh, Star Trek. Unlabeled, probably porn. Def Jam. The Rocketeer? Oh, it was a rental. Please rewind tape. Oh well, I don't want any of that. Well, I found a nice spot to get to the lake. Minimal garbage, I guess. I don't know who would want to carry a cinder block all the way out here, but and a mattress. But wow, there's the ramps for the ski show they did, and the Red Bull like jet boat race and all that stuff. Surprised it's not a Red Bull ramp. They have some other sporting events out here. Damn, be a good spot to launch some boats and sink them. Be cool. Truck again. I'm running out of battery on my camera, so sorry I keep turning it off. Some weird fruit that keeps dropping out of this tree. Looks like disgusting brains or something. Not sure what the hell they are. Tons of them though. Everywhere. Looks like somebody was trying to get some in a cooler. Took off. Now there may have been a base out here at one point because there's all kinds of sewer drains and you'll see a fire plug out here every now and then. So there might be some good hunting to do out here if there's a base. Probably find some neat stuff. Damn, they're all over the place. Damn. You could have some weird fruit fight out here. Those would freaking hurt. Make a potato gun for those. You got an endless supply out here. Guess I'll head back to the truck and get on out of here since I'm out of battery anyway. Guess I'll get the truck idling anyway. And we're still in gear, so might want to change that. Still doing really good on fuel. I've been out here a long time. I'm not sure if you can see that. There we go. It's still full. Oh man. I'm glad I wasn't trying to film while doing that. Seems like a bunch of people have been trying to mud in here. It doesn't look that deep, but it's about 3 feet deep in some places. I had my truck leaning like this. I had water coming up over the engine. I had it deep. I even got water in my cup holder. I'm gonna let it sit there and idle and maybe dry off. Hopefully it won't short out. Keep your fingers crossed. Oh man, that was actually kind of fun. Must remember not to go through here again. Wow, my camera's soaking wet. Alright, I'm gonna head home as fast as I can. Dry this thing off. Get this video on YouTube for you all. Happy Halloween, everyone. Stay tuned. Let me know what you think of the new upgrades. Thanks for watching.